Hi everybody, Andrew Scheier with Scheier Creative Designs. Today I'm making some wall art that's going to ultimately display a bike frame. In the video I don't show how I attach the frame to the wall. That's just done with a thing you'd hold a garden tool with and mount it to the wall, and then I stuck the down tube on it and also created a little bracket that comes off and holds the chainstay so it keeps the bike from wiggling off the wall. The actual art itself is held on with magnets to that subframe that mounts to the wall, so you can take it on and off. I didn't want to drill any screws through it because it's already like about a quarter of an inch thick, and it would kind of just take away from the piece. So, and I also wanted it to be, if you got tired of hanging the display or the bike frame on display, you could take it off and just have a nice piece of art. So stick around, hope you enjoy it. Thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. If you haven't done so already, like and subscribe. I try to put them out as often as I can. So doing a series on home improvement. My next one's going to be talking about flooring. So once again, thank you very much. You can follow me on Instagram, Andrew Scheier, or Scheier Creative Designs. Some projects that don't make it to YouTube end up there, and like shop updates and other stuff there. So follow me over there too if you want to see more, and go out and create something. Create a great day.